Hi, I'm Keith. I'm the gardener here at the Indian Pueblo Cultural Center in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I'm here to give a little overview on amaranth. Amaranth is an ancient native grain to America, being cultivated about 6,000 years ago, around 4000 BCE. It was the third most important staple crop to the Aztec Empire, behind maize and chia, the fourth being quinoa, and all four being indigenous crops to the Americas. It was a sacred plant across cultures in the Americas, being used in ceremonies and rituals. The Aztecs cultivated it for their deity of the sun and war, making it a threat to the Spanish crown and the Catholic Church. So the conquistadors outlawed the cultivation of it. In the 1970s, famed Mexican chemist Alfredo Sanchez Marroquin led research to bring back these ancient grains. And now, amaranth is still pretty rare, and it's used in luxury foods today. Amaranth has had a long history in the Americas, being used as the original sugar skulls before sugar became popular during Dia de los Muertos. And in the Caribbean, the leaves were cooked down and is a popular dish called callaloo. And you can also grind it down into flour, and it provides tons of nutrients. Today I'm going to show you how to make amaranth pumpkin spice cookies, and it's pretty simple. So you start off with 2/3 cup of amaranth flour, and then you add 1/3 cup of brown sugar along with 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, then a pinch or half a tablespoon of salt, and then about half a tablespoon of baking powder. Then mix that all up. Then in a separate bowl, you can get half a cup of applesauce or 1 egg and combine it with 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. Make sure that's all together, and then slowly add the mixture. You mix until it's completely together. We want to get it to a paste, kind of a paste-like consistency. Just want to get parchment paper, make nice round flat cookies, and this should make about 16 to 18 cookies depending on how large you make them. And you want to, while you're doing this, have an oven preheating at 350 degrees. Sometimes they'll be a little sticky because amaranth doesn't behave the same way as wheat flour, so it can become a little pasty. And then when you got those going, you pop them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then let them rest on a cooling rack for about 5 minutes, and they should be good to go.